Welcome to the Consultant Mindset. There are days when we are constantly occupied with thoughts. And there are some days during which we cannot even think of anything. A human mind can have 70,000 thoughts per day. We are perpetual thinkers and we tend to ruminate over things. Boss emailed you and said that he wants to have a meeting with you after 2 days. He doesn't tell you the reason why he wants to talk to you. So you spend the 2 days ruminating over this thing that the boss has called you and you must have done something wrong. Thoughts like, is he going to fire me? And am I not able to carry out my tasks? Keeps crossing your mind. These thoughts running across your mind don't let you fall asleep as well. The meeting day arrives and the boss tells you that the manager is leaving his position. So would you like to take over it? It was just your mind overthinking the useless things. I will be using the terms overthinking and ruminating interchangeably in this video. The point is, why do we overthink? What are all these thoughts about? Are they detrimental? Can they be redirected to become useful for us? Let's just have answers to these questions in the next section. In this modern era, about every third person is suffering from anxiety and stress. And anxiety is the root cause of overthinking. We tend to ruminate about many things in our life. Some are negative thoughts and some are just worrisome thoughts. We can even redirect our thoughts to become useful for us. I will tell you some ways to reduce the habit of overthinking. Let's start. Become aware of your thoughts. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. What is going on inside our heads? What are these thoughts all about? It is important to realize what are the things that are triggering overthinking in your mind. Is the workspace triggering it? Or is it the social space provoking it? Try to predict the situation so that you can manage it. Self-improvement starts with self-acceptance. It is easier to identify your flaws, but accepting them is a big hell of a task. A doctor cannot prescribe medicine until he diagnoses the disease. Likewise, the flaws cannot be overcome until they are accepted. Don't let your thoughts become restricted to your mind only. Let them out and write them in a journaling book. Keeping a journal book is an effective way to let things out. Whenever you write those random things out on paper, you become more aware of your limitations. Daily activities. As the proverb goes, an empty mind is a devil's house. We tend to overthink more when we have nothing to occupy the space of our brain. Whenever we have something on our mind to keep us going, we are less likely to ruminate. It is highly suggested to keep ourselves busy with daily tasks. Like when going out for a walk, keep yourself focused on the surroundings instead of thinking in your bubble. The key is you have to control the mind and don't let the mind control you. While walking in the park, become observant and try to notice everything around you instead of becoming a prisoner to thoughts. Engage your mind so that it won't be able to overthink. It is highly recommended to try novel things more often. We want our minds to be attentive. Trying out new things will force them to participate in the activities. For example, you can learn to drive a car, and you can also engage yourself in some TED Talks or social gatherings, etc. Scheduled worry. It is the best way to handle your brain. We can just tell our brain that we remember the worry and we know we have to handle it. Just delay the worry by writing it down in a journal and say, I will worry about it at 2 p.m. or I will do it at night. In this way, your brain will become relaxed and will stop nagging you all the time for the particular task. Your brain likes boundaries and it is advised to keep it engaged. Meditation. The ultimate way to control your mind is to meditate. Meditation is the only way by which you can tame your thoughts. Meditation has many benefits and it is one of them. Since meditation helps you achieve a relaxed, calmer, and serene mind, that is why it assists you in controlling your crazy chimp mind as well. Concrete thoughts. Concrete things are all about the things that are practically achievable. Write down those things only that you think are practically achievable. For instance, complaining about why I can't be happy like my friends. Instead of these gloomy thoughts, try reminiscing about what I can do today to make myself happy. Look for more concrete things. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.